Hey YouTubers, what's going on? It's Fanmoreman here. This is my early 1960s Dominion 12-inch desk fan, model 2017 I think it was, or yeah, something like that. 2017 or 2074, let me think about it. It's been a long time since I looked. 2017, okay. I got this little fan for free at a church sale because they thought it worked and it really didn't, so the lady just gave it to me. It was seized up, took a lot of work to get it going again, but now it works. Need a new switch in it because the switch broke off, and it was originally busted off and I couldn't get it to any other speed, so I pulled the motor housing off and bypassed it. So now the fan's just wired for low. Because on high, it vibrates too much because the blades are way out of whack. You can see it's got a big messed up mark in it there and there. Like someone jammed something into the fan at some point and it really hurt that blade. It messed up the center hub. I've tried balancing them, but it just don't work. The center hub is too out of whack to straighten out. But overall, the fan's actually in pretty good shape. It's not that bad. All its paint's really there, except for on the very back of the motor cowling, it's just got a little bit of rust. That's the only bad part on the whole fan. Other than that, she's perfect. Very good condition for being so old. It runs really well, other than the fact it shakes a little bit. Oscillator needs to be re-greased. As you can hear, it kind of slows down when it goes over to that side. It goes that way, it kind of slows down a little bit, but then it gets back going. I think I have a switch somewhere, I just don't know where it is right now. But anyway, that's really it for this video, so as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.